Hisense's U8 ULED TV with Dolby Vision Gaming unveiled. Hisense 55, 65, 75, 85-inch Class U8 Series Mini LED ULED for UHD Google Smart TV 85 U8 and 202 for model QLED. Dolby Vision IQ, Dolby Atmos, Full Array Local Dimming Pro, 140 Hz Game Mode Pro, Alexa compatibility. The Hisense U8 QG, a new mini LED TV, has been officially revealed alongside other models in the brand's 2025 range. Its features include a 165 Hz native refresh rate, support for Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Vision Gaming. Plus, at least the US version of this TV will have Google TV. Hisense has officially unveiled the U8 QG ULED TV. This 2025 mini LED model was mentioned, but not revealed, at CES 2025. As its name suggests, the U8 sits between the mid-premium U7 QG and the range-topping U9 QG. This model will be available in sizes up to 100 inches. The U8 has the same peak brightness level as the U9, said to reach up to 5,000 nits. Other similarities between the two TVs include a 165 Hz refresh rate, MEMC motion smoothing, and support for Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and IMAX Enhanced. Plus, it offers advanced QLED technology for rich colors and deep blacks. Gaming features include VRR, OM, and support for Dolby Vision Gaming and Dolby Atmos. Hisense's U8 is marketed as running Google TV, providing access to many streaming apps and other tools like Google Assistant voice commands. However, it is likely that this will be replaced by the brand's VOD OS in countries like the UK. There is Wi-Fi 6E connectivity and a range of ports including HDMI IRC, and built-in 80-to-West speakers deliver a 4.1-channel sound experience. The Hisense U8 QG Mini LED TVs will be launched later in 2025, though the company has not indicated a particular month. Pricing for these models is expected to be revealed in the coming weeks. As a guide, the 55-inch 2024 U8 and Mini LED TV was priced at $1,099.99 at launch, but is currently available for $698 at Amazon. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85 inches. Brand Hisense. Display technology QLED, Mini LED, LCD resolution 4K, refresh rate 140 Hz. Special feature Full Array Local Dimming Pro, Dolby Vision IQ, Atmos, Mini LED ULED, native 140 Hz, QLED Quantum. Colorful Array Local Dimming Pro, Dolby Vision IQ, Atmos, Mini LED ULED, native 140 Hz, QLED Quantum. Color. Included components: stand, TV, power cable, remote connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, HDMI. Aspect ratio 16:9. Product dimensions 3D x 74.8 w x 43.1 h.